and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video is obviously yet another wig review, but before we get into that, I want to say, girl, if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Also, if you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button. And yeah, girl, now let's get into this hair. Alright, honey, so the hair that I am rocking was sent to me by Incolorwig. Shout out to you, Incolorwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Honey, Incolorwig is a company that I have recently started working with, and they have been coming through with the come-through. So shout out to you, boo. So the unit that I am rocking is their Incolorwig Balayage Highlight 13x4 Lace Front Jerry Curly Wig. It says Fashion Chocolate Brown FB30 Wig. So they have this unit available in 14 to 26 inches, all of that being even numbers, and it's in 150% density. So it looks like it only comes in 150% density, but it is curly hair. And as you can see, honey, she is thick, girl, okay? She is thick. She's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, and as you guys know, that's thick, okay? So yeah, the unit is really thick, even though it's 150% density, which is usually the case with curly units, in my opinion. So it says hair color ombre. The texture is Jerry Curly. It's a 13x4, and it only comes in an average cap size, and it has Swiss lace in medium brown color. Now, you guys know, if you watch me, how I feel about medium brown lace. To me, it doesn't blend in as seamlessly as transparent and HD lace on my complexion. If you are a little bit darker than me, then I feel like you can make it work. But as you guys can see, you can see the lace on me. And that is always pretty much the case when I'm dealing with medium brown lace. Like, even though I'm a brown girl, for some reason, the brown lace just ain't blending, okay? So I wanted to throw that out there. It is an average, it has an average cap size. In my opinion, I am an average cap size, and I do deem this unit to be big head friendly because I had to adjust the straps. Whenever I have to adjust the straps, then I say that a unit is big head friendly. If I don't have to adjust the straps and it fits kind of snugly, then I say it is small to medium head friendly. So in my opinion, this unit is definitely more so on the big head friendly side than not. Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, in my opinion, most curly wigs do have some shedding and some tangling. As long as it's not excessive, it doesn't bother me. This unit, that happens to be the case. It did tangle a little bit, and I did receive a little bit of hair while I was detangling it. But it was nothing to write home about. It was not like a big deal, just some snags here and there. So that is pretty much the case with most curly wigs, in my opinion. But honey, I'm nobody's expert. Do with that what you want to do with it, girl. As far as the construction of this unit, as I stated, it is a 13x4, meaning even when you part it like this, you kind of want to do like a curve so you can hide the track, because the track is literally right here. It is 13 inches across and 4 inches back. And it does come with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, with adjustable straps. That is pretty much it as far as the construction goes with this unit. Now, if you are interested to see how I applied this unit, I did use the ball cap method, because with frontals, I feel like they look best with the ball cap method. So I did do that. If you are interested in watching me slap old girl on my head, then we're gonna go ahead and get into that portion of the video, and I'll be back with my pros and cons about this unit.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lying with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Pros and cons. I like to start with the cons first because I don't like to end with the bad. I like to end with the good. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cons. My con, and I'm pretty sure if you watch me, you already know what my con is. It's the lace. Like I said, I prefer transparent or HD lace. The medium brown just don't get it for me because it just doesn't blend. And like I said, you can just literally see the lace. And that is an issue for me. That is a me thing, honey, though. Okay, it's a Chrissy thing. It's not a you thing. It just depends on, you know, what bothers you and what, you know, what does and what doesn't bother you. That is an issue for me. So it's not a big con because it's not a universal con, in my opinion. It's a personal con. So that is my only con with this particular wig. Now let's get into the pros, honey. Okay, in my opinion, the hairline was decent. Like it wasn't phenomenal, but it was decent. I think it can still be deemed beginner friendly, and you don't have to necessarily tweeze it if you don't want to. I did not, and I feel like she still looks good. You know, I know the people that really know how to tweeze that hair. It's a thing. But for me, I thought that the hairline looked decent. I love the color, and I also feel like this color is a blonde. Okay, it's more of a bronze. That can be worn in the wintertime. If you're somebody like me who likes to wear certain colors during certain seasons, I feel like you can still wear this in the fall and winter time because it's just kind of one of those darker blondes, really bronze, okay? I also love Jerry curly units. I think they are awesome, and I love the big hair. Like, I also love that even though this unit is 150% density, it is very, very full. That is also a con. So, I mean, not con, child. That is also a pro. So yeah, I feel like this unit comes with a lot of pros in my opinion, but let me know down below what you think is a pro in this unit. Like, what are the cons and pros to you? So yeah, now we can get into what I recommend. Oh girl. Alright honey, so would I recommend this unit? Yes. I love the color, I love the curls, I love everything about this unit other than the lace color. But I would definitely recommend it. I think it is a really, really nice wig. I love the fullness of it. I think it's just really good, especially for the holidays coming up. I love her. She is a look, she is a vibe. And to me, curly hair can tend to be less work. Okay, you know your girl is lazy. So I would recommend this wig. I think she's a look, a vibe, and I really, really love this unit and this color. Hey honey, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and lint check. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in hearing your thoughts down below in the comments. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah.